Small Business USA. This town could be any town. This town could be your town. What is the thing that separates the businesses that succeed and win from those that don't? It isn't your business card and it isn't your building. The great separator, what separates winning businesses from those that succeed and fail, are those who know how to communicate a message and tell their story. It used to be that businesses had to spend a lot of cash and deploy a large amount of staff in order to properly communicate the message and get in front of their targeted audience. Those days are over. You no longer have to worry about getting in front of your ideal prospect or even your existing client. Creating content and communicating your story and message has never been easier. Now you can use video to connect with your targeted audience on any platform, on any device, no matter where they are, 24 hours a day. That's why Major League Video Marketing exists, so that business owners, entrepreneurs, and salespeople can go through this course. They can learn every tip, every tactic, every theory, everything needed and necessary in order to properly use video as a means of communication, as a means of connecting with their clients, and as a way of growing their business. Are you looking to separate your business and your brand from every other business and brand here on Main Street USA? It starts with telling a better story.